Keto, low carb, gluten-free. Is this what you're after? We're gonna use chicken breast this time, but you can use any meat you like. Cut them into bigger pieces so they won't dry out that fast. Add some olive oil, your favorite spice mix. I use rosemary salt with sage and lemon zest. Add some chili sauce, some jalapenos. I also use the pickle juice. And finally some black pepper. Mix it all up and let it rest in the fridge for a couple of hours. For the flourless tortillas, we're gonna need 4 eggs. Mix it with a whisk. Add 7 tablespoons of heavy cream. Add 100 grams of cream cheese, it's less than half a cup, it's 0.22 pounds. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of oil. I added some of this Greek spice mix, a teaspoon of psyllium husk, it actually helps to keep the dough together, a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix it well and let it rest at least 15 minutes. Heat up your grill, spray some oil on it, and cook the chicken. Cook the tortillas in lower heat, but be aware it burns easily. Flip it once, and after a few seconds it's done. This amount is enough for 5 tortillas. Chop the meat and prep the choice of your fillings. I picked tomato, salad, baby spinach, jalapenos, cheese and sour cream. Add as much fillings as you prefer. Roll it up with a tin foil and it's done. You can store it in the fridge for a couple of days, and it's also a great snack or lunch when you're on the go. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy healthy. Thank you for watching.